How to set up a Piso Wi-Fi business with laptop and router modem. Step 1. Prepare all the equipment and software that you'll be needing. These include laptop or desktop, router modem, and macro recorder. Step 2. Download and install macro recorder. Links are at the description. Step 3. Depending on your router, you may need to change the login and password. If you cannot change the password, ask your ISP to do so. This is to prevent customers from accessing your router settings. Step 4. Run macro recorder. Macro recorder is a software that lets the user record mouse and keyboard input. Now go to your browser. In the browser's address bar, type the router IP address 192.168.1.1. Enter router username and password. Click WLAN. Click WPA to create shared key. Change the password. Click Apply to finish the changing of password. Here is an example of automated changing of password without user intervention. If your router has guest feature, use the guest feature for more control on your Piso Wi-Fi business. For example, using guest feature to limit bandwidth usage, or limit the duration of internet access. Bonus tip. Use router to block ads for your customer convenience.